How to fix Snapchat SS06 error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you check on the connection, launch the Play Store application and search for Snapchat just to make sure you have an updated version of the Snapchat application. So let's search for Snapchat, and as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the Snapchat application. So now we can just go back, and what we can do is launch the settings application on our device. Then tap on about phone option and make sure that we have the latest version of the updates available for our device. And if you check for the update and it does not show any updates, it means we have the latest version. So we can just go back, and if that does not still fix your issue, you can just make a long press on your power button, tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might definitely help you out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.